Ah, bonjour.
Vin rouge, voilà.
Merci. Merci beaucoup.
Je vous en prie.
At number 30 is a very, very, very important, absolutely essential, cannot live without number of your capsule wardrobe, and that is the color red. Rouge, as we say here in France. This was the handsome Alex who served me a beautiful glass of red wine, which the team and I are going to sit down and enjoy after our hard work, that I hope has really served you well, because we believe in sowing and reaping, and we're going to reap some of this beautiful harvest. But I want to end on a very, very important note here. I believe that the color red is what God gave us to be that bold light on a hill. I believe that red stands for love. We're in the city of love. I believe that red stands for blood, for love, for boldness. And if you're watching this Capsule Wardrobe Coaching Program, if you are feeling called to get up and dress up, that's because you are called to be a bold light on a hill, and I'll tell you why. There are women who need you. There are women who are suffering depression. There are women who have been through all kinds of abuse. There are women who feel lonely and isolated. And we are putting fashion to work for the poor, and we're putting fashion to work to bring women together. And that requires you to be bold and confident. And I have not found a better way to help the clients and the women that I work with than to use the color red. So I want to end off here, and I want to say an absolute thank you to you for investing in this program, because as you do, you're going to be looking and feeling different, and there will be days when you don't feel confident. And I want to remind you why we're doing this. We are dressing up to bring women together. We are dressing up to use fashion as a relationship builder. And remember that your purchase of this program, 90% of the profits of your purchase goes to housing and clothing and feeding and educating the extreme poor. So I want to end here in this beautiful, beautiful little restaurant in Paris and say thank you for the investment that you made. And I want to remind you that you are not alone. You're not alone in your challenges, and you're not alone in the fact that you want to look and feel beautiful. And beauty is an inside job. So please stay connected with us at lindapage.com. Please join our dynamic community, because we need women like you who are going to get up, dress up, and be a bold light on a hill. So I'm going to say cheers. Number 30 is the color red.